Okay, so the topic is array of pointers. So I declare first one pointer. So I'm just writing integer asterisk ptr. Okay, so this is my normal pointer. But when I say, let's say I'm giving the range 5, it means this is my array of pointers. Okay, now because this has a integer data type, means I can store only addresses of the integer variable. So when I declare this asterisk ptr5 inside the memory, okay, so here we have, can you see guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here we have one array, the name is ptr. Because this is asterisk pointer variable or the pointer array, in this 5 locations I can store only addresses. Now let's assume that here we have a memory. I'm just randomly drawing this. Okay, so this is memory, and here let's say I have some variable. Let's say this is A, this is B, C, D, and E, and each has some address. Let's say 101, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, and each has the values. Let's say let's assume that this has the value 10, and like that there is some, I don't know what is happening. Anyways, so let's assume that this has some values, and I'm just writing, if I say that address of A, if I assign to PTR in this array, how can I write? If I want to store, guys, if I want to store the address of this location or the value of this location or address of this location, I want to assign to this place. How can I write? Any idea? At this location,
PTR is equal to ampersand A.
PTR is equal to ampersand A. Ampersand A. But do you really think that directly if I write the PTR it will store the address? Because if with PTR it has 5 locations. So in which location I want to store?
PTR 0.
PTR of 0. Perfect. So this way, can I write PTR of 0 is equal to address of A, PTR of 1 is equal to address of B, and like that? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. So this concept is known as the array of pointers. Array of pointers. Pointer, we know, a variable, a special variable which stores the address of another variable. Array means group of elements, but when we combine it, array of pointers means we have an array, where we can store only addresses, but addresses, which type of addresses? Addresses of the variables which have the integer data type. And to assign the address of the different variables, we need to do the indexing this way. So to store the address of multiple variables in the pointer array, do I need loop?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so we need loop, and this way you can store the address of multiple variables in the pointer array. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.